Dear student, in previous lecture we discussed about the quick short algorithm and their performance of quick short algorithm. Now today in this video lecture I discuss about what is the binary search tree, performance of binary search tree, what is the balanced binary search tree. Now description of brief introduction about RB tree structure and arbitrary properties and arbitrary height. So first discuss binary search tree performance. For insertion and removal of binary search tree is equal to order of height. So what is the height of binary search tree is the question mark. So height of binary tree, if it is balanced tree, so height of binary tree is equal to big O of log n. If tree is very unbalanced, then height of this tree unbalanced BST height equal to order of. So definition of balanced binary tree is an one where there is no path from the root to leaf that is more than twice as long as any other such path. The height of such tree is order of log n. Guarantee that the BST is balanced require either a more complex structure 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 trees are more complex insertion and deletion algorithm arbitrary. So arbitrary structure like that. A red-black tree is a balanced search tree if each node has an extra color field which is red or blue. Usually represented as Boolean is black. Nodes have an additional pointer to their parents. A node's null child pointer are treated as if they were black nodes. These null children are imaginary nodes, so are not allocated space and are always colored black. So red-black tree nodes, trees are reference structure. Node contain data, their pointer to node and then node's color. Like that, tree data, where is data, and node pointer are stored, and is black color is like a Boolean color. So the arbitrary properties like that, every node is either red or black. It is the first property of arbitrary. And second property of arbitrary, every leaf is black. Leaves refers to the imaginary nodes, so that every null child of a node is considered to be a black leaf. If a node is red, then both its children must be black. Every path from a node to leaf contains the same number of black nodes. The root is black mainly for the convenience. Now, arbitrary height. The black height of node BHV is the number of black nodes on the path from V to null black child without counting V itself. Because of property of 4, every path from a node to leaf contains the same number of black nodes. The height of node HV is the number of nodes on the longest path from V to leaf. So without counting of V itself, from the property third, red node children must be black. So we can write height of black HB less than equal to 2 BHB. If according to balance tree, it is shown that tree with red-black structure is balanced. A balanced tree has no path from root to the leaf that is more than twice as long as any other such path. So assume that a tree has an internal node, a non-leaf node. The leaf node are imaginary node. So n is the number of actual nodes. So a red-black tree has 2 की power greater than equal to 2 की power bh minus 1 internal node real nodes. Suppose that only one node contain it. One node is a root node. The color of this node is black. Height equal to 0. So total internal number of node greater than equal to 2 की power 0 minus 1. इसलिए number of internal node equal to 0. Condition is satisfied. If arbitrary are divided into two halves, so one contains 2 to the power bhx minus 1 because the height of arbitrary is bhx, and second also one height reduces bhx minus 1. So total internal node 2 to the power bhx minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 to the power bhx minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 a black node. So total is equal to 2 to the power bhx minus 1 minus 1. So arbitrary height is h less than equal to 2 log n plus 1. Now prove. Assume total number of internal node greater than equal to at least 2 to the power bh minus 1. This condition satisfy if n bh equal to 0 for single node. The total number of internal nodes is also 0. According to property, if parent node is red, then both children is black. So bh less than equal to h by 2 minimum. Then put the value of bh in the first step. So n greater than equal to 2 to the power h by 2 minus 1, replace bh in 1 with h. So taking log in both sides, log n greater than equal to log 2 h by 2 minus 1. So we can write log n plus 1 greater than equal to h by 2. Then h less than equal to 2 log n plus 1. We reverse h less than equal to 2 log n plus 1. So note that 2 log n plus 1 is bigger log n. If insertion and removal are big O of height, they are order of log n. Thank you. So summary of this lecture. First, we discuss about definition of balanced binary search tree and performance of binary tree, and height of balanced binary search tree, height of unbalanced binary search tree, definition of balanced binary search tree, the structure of arbitrary. Arbitrary is the binary search tree, but some extra field are added like the color, left children and parent, parent children, left children, right children, and color of parent node, children nodes. Red black tree contain reference structure like that. Now properties of arbitrary 5. Every node is either red or black. Every leaf node is black. If node is red, then both its children must be black. Every path from node to descendant leaf contain the same number of black nodes. And fifth property, the root is black mainly for convenience. Next, we prove the height of arbitrary. The arbitrary height according to theorem h less than equal to 2 log n plus 1. So first we prove total number of internal nodes greater than equal to the power h by 2 minus 1, black height minus 1. According to red black property, black height equal to h by 2. So n less than equal to n greater than equal to the power h by 2 minus 1. So taking log in both sides and prove the height of arbitrary equal to h less than equal to 2 log n plus 1. Height at most order of log n. Thank you. The next lecture we discuss about rotation of arbitrary, like left rotation and right rotation.